Hey guys, well, here's another upgrade I did to the mini excavator. I added heavier duty thumb. Here is the original. I didn't like it because it's not very well reinforced, but I can probably address that at a later date and make this usable in something else. So, but there over there, between the bucket and the rake, is the grapple unit that comes with the machine. And I ordered the grapple unit like that because I knew later date I would want to change the grapple here to this kind of style, and that rest of that piece there can be used for a different application, right? So you know, just takes a little bit of ingenuity. But yeah, so it's a lot more heavy duty, and actually I took these ears here off the back and I cut them down and put a little piece of plate in here, weld it all up, and there you have it. Because at a later date I'm going to be putting a cylinder on this tilt here and on the thumb here, so it makes it more useful. But for now, it works. So why screw with it? I'll just leave it for now. But yeah, so this actually makes it more useful, a little more heavy duty. It adds a little more weight. You have to add a couple little bushings in there because it's a little bit wider. But it's pretty cool, right? So just the little things, right? Just the little detail things that the manufacturer doesn't really think about. They think about doing stuff as cheap as possible and trying to save on weight, right? But if you want to use a machine, it's gonna be for use for day in, day out, day in, day out. I mean, you want something that's gonna last, and this little thumb here wouldn't last. Probably end up bending, right? Because there's no support in here. There should be a little support in here, a couple supports anyway to make it more durable. So I like this system here, and actually I like this grapple a lot better than the one on my Kubota. So, and even that one there is nice too, because it's nice and wide. So you never know. Might end up changing it out and sticking that one on the Kubota instead. But we'll see. But anyways, pretty interesting. It doesn't have its smooth edge, so it doesn't have the teeth on there like the other ones do. But it is what it is. But yeah, I'm pretty happy with that. They're very well needed modification. I felt that it needed a better thumb on there, so better than the iggledy piggledy little thumb that's on my lap, but it is what it is. Yep, that's what they call a rock bucket, but in China they call it a sand bucket. I don't know. But anyways, yeah, it works. It does a job, but I'm gonna have to modify it, and I need to put a cutting edge on there and put a piece of plate in there so I can use it for doing grading and such. And then when I need to make it, when I need to do stuff, grade rock and stuff, it's, picking up sand with rock in it, just take the plates out and use it for what it is. But it is what it is. It actually works pretty good for grading though. It's pretty cool. But definitely needs a cutting edge because it doesn't have it. So, but just little things, right? Little things that the guy has to do to make this thing your own. So, but so those are the guards I put in. I have the guard down there, and there. I forgot to paint it black, but it's just little things. I mean, things that are on on the name brand machines. I mean, it's just a no-brainer, right? Why not have a guard there to protect the lines and from breaking? Because you'd be picking up, you're doing all sorts of stuff with these machines, and rock and fall in there, bust a line, and that just protects it. It's just no-brainer little things, right? So, but I know I've seen Every Day with Nick, and I seen he was talking about his quick connector. Well, mine's a little bit different because mine has a little. You need to have like a piece of square tubing in the back, and to unlatch it. A little bit different system. It's actually this is a little bit better than Nick's quick attach, but they're all the same bullshit. It's all the same. Ones are better than the other, and have you, right? I mean, as long as you pick up, have the little claw in there that expands to pick up the two pins buckets. Anything's better than good old manual popping pins out and installing pins on these here, on the stick and on the tilt there. So anything's better than that. Quick attach. Any kind of quick attach is better than original. saves you a lot of time and hassle and grief and strain on your back, your neck, and your on your arms. Because, they're all good. So anyways, there you have it. So my next mod here on the mini excavator. So I was talking to the seller, and she's impressed with the mods I've been doing on the machine and such. So the little things that they have maybe overlooked on it, but it is what it is. So, but the next thing I'm gonna have to make on this thing is a way to attach it. I mean, a way to haul it. I mean, you can put chains around here, but I'll turn my camera on the bottom, there's no way of attaching chains on there, right? How you know? I mean, there's nothing here to attach a chain to. You would transport on a little trailer or something, right? Where you cinch the binders to, right? So my next option is going to be making figure out where I can attach it over there, under here somewhere, and just make some loops to put chains through to tie it down when I haul it on the trailer. That has to be done actually pretty quick because I'm going to have to be moving this thing pretty soon. And there's this stupid camera. There's holes here so I can attach my rest of the roll bar on the back. It comes up here. So, anyways, there you have it. Alright guys, thanks for watching my video, and stay tuned for those upgrades on that. Tie downs. It's ridiculous why they don't have tie downs on these machines. How you supposed to transport them? You tie them down, right? So, anyways, like I said, on these, you can put, actually, I need to make these pins so don't pop out, but, kind of rig them up a little better, but you put a chain around there, chain around the other side, and cinch it to your trailer or whatever you're hauling it with, and so, just common sense stuff. So, anyways, stay tuned for the next upgrade on making brackets for tying chains on the back. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Bye for now.